You don't have to bend over backwards to change in order to get the man you want. You should find a love that is natural and organic for you. But if you want to increase your chances of finding the right man, there are some universal principles that apply to every man. Yes, that's true. Every man will have very specific preferences when it comes to liking women, but there are some general characteristics in girls that most, if not all, men will certainly find attractive. Here are the 5 most important things men look for in women. 1. Men want women who are independent. Independence can mean many things, so let's break it down. Men like women who can stand on their own 2 feet and are not afraid to fight for what they want. The world is changing, and women are getting more and more opportunities than ever before. It's no longer strange for a woman to be the top earner in a family, and that's cool. Men like women who are able to formulate their own thoughts and those who don't have to rely on other people to determine what they want out of life. Men like women who are motivated and hardworking. Show a man that you are quite capable of standing up for yourself all by yourself and you will win him over. 2. Men are looking for intelligent women. The intellect is a scarce resource these days, and when a man meets a woman who can challenge him intellectually, he is immediately attracted to her. Especially smart men like women who can talk about deep and complex issues. It also helps if you are a well-read woman who can quote a few dead authors every now and then. Knowledge of literature, politics, science, technology, and art can be useful when trying to win a man's heart. For a man, getting a smart girlfriend means that he will never be bored and that he will always be challenged to be a better version of himself as well. 3. Men love women who are honest. Men can be incredibly stupid most of the time, and these subtle hints and signals that you drop could go unnoticed. Men like women who are just honest and say whatever is on their mind. Men are not as empathetic as women, and therefore boys tend not to read emotions very well. Therefore it is important for men to find girls who are able to express their opinions and feelings in an articulated way. They want a girl who can be open and free with what she thinks. The best relationships are built on trust, and honesty is the only way to avoid abusing this established trust. Please, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to this channel and press the notification button for more videos. 4. Men love women who understand the value of respect. Men want to feel as respected as women. Do not belittle your husband or boyfriend in front of his friends or make him feel inferior at any point in his life. Treat him with respect and grace, and he will come crawling back to you every time. If he screws up now and then, be nice to him. Confront him about his misconduct, but do it in a respectful manner. Men are also incredibly sensitive beings who don't like to be disrespected. Damaging a man's ego irreparably is the best way to drive him away from you permanently. 5. Men look for women who leave room for individual growth. While some men like to be pampered and cared for most of the time, the vast majority of men want a little space or privacy every now and then. Men look for women who understand their occasional need for isolation and solitude. Men sometimes like to be alone and cut off from the rest of the world. If he occasionally finds a woman who respects his need for privacy, she is definitely a guardian in his eyes. Thanks for watching, and please do leave a comment to tell us what you think about these 5 points.